came to you guys for some help due to mainly shoulder pain, right shoulder pain initially, and then obviously it became apparent quite quickly with yourself and your colleagues that I was the UK Tin Man.
That's right.
So, and things have improved. Especially my thoracic spine, I think, has improved a lot. And my neck pain is much better. And the movement I have in my neck has improved a lot. Where I was, there has been improvement in all areas. And I think knowing what I know now from what you've taught me, your team's taught me, is clearly I need to continue with the exercises. From a whole, it's been great, I think, and it's just like a huge learning curve for me.
Yeah.
My movement, which in hindsight, should have done something like this and work on my flexibility from day one and many years ago, which I haven't, and ignored, and that's why I've come for help now, and that's why probably I've got the shoulder pain, which has started to when I joined the program, it was worse it's ever been, although it has been sort of in the background on both shoulders for probably a few years, to be honest with you, and I just ignored it really. So, which is why I'm where I am. So with the scapula, with the band, and then turn slightly away and then rotate the shoulders both ways. I mean, that feels so good doing that with the resistance of the band. I thought, blimey, I'm loving that one because it feels like
Nice.
Everything moving.
I would love to hear about like where your shoulder was at that made you think I need to get this addressed. Like what was going on?
So going back probably a few years now, where I started getting shoulder pain from gym work, and I started to go swimming. Before I used to go to the gym to loosen up the shoulders somewhat, and then it came to a head. Probably 6 months ago or 5 months ago, it came to a head where I'm looking online, looking for people to help me because I was not getting any relief from my shoulder pain. It was just pointless. I had to stop going to the gym, stop doing pressing movements. Overhead was fine, but pressing, it was just too much. So I reached out to you guys, and because of the pain I was in, listen to stories that the people that you've helped, and people are in a lot more pain than I was in, but it was quite serious from my point of view, stopping me going to the gym. Day-to-day living, it wasn't so much of a problem, but going to the gym, it was one of my favorite things to do, and it was impinging that. So reached out to you guys and started the program, and quickly realized that I needed help with all of my upper body, to try and really get some space in the shoulder joint. And I realized then, it was a mixture of everything that I needed help with.
Yeah, not just shoulder, but what else had you tried before the program?
Well, I tried different types of banded exercises, but nothing seemed to help, because I wasn't focusing on all the different elements that you guys have shown me. Not just a shoulder pain and around there. It's this the thoracic spine, which comes in neck. I've had neck pain for a long time, but I didn't realize that was connected to the shoulder and the back, and it was all a combination of all this stiffness until you told me that's what I needed to work on, and it has given me a lot of relief. I just that's from my own doing, as we discussed.
I mean, how did it feel once you got started with the comeback program? I mean, I remember reading some of your comments and your check-in forms, that it just was like, I don't know, you were just so like frustrated with how tight you were, and you're like, I can't believe like I can't do this.
Yeah,
simple thing.
Yeah, simple things which you show in your demonstrations and well, that just bend round here, and I can't bend round there. What is wrong with me? Simple movements, simple stretches, which it was just amazing. Trying to do these things initially it was very, very difficult to just do a simple movement, which has improved over the 3 months. It has been improved. All areas have improved. More movement. It's been a revelation, really. The knowledge that you've given me to go forward and continue forward, to try and get more movement, to being hopefully, fingers crossed, more movement going forward and less pain, so I can continue doing what I enjoy doing.
Was there anything that you did during that gym, routine throughout the last couple of weeks that you kind of felt like, oh, like I can do this, like this was something I literally couldn't do prior,
I've got more movement, especially on an incline bench, a free weight incline bench. I can now touch the bar on my chest because my shoulders and are getting moving further back than they ever used to be.
Mm.
Especially that pull down machine, I can actually get it to my chest now, where it was here. Now I can get it here because I have more because I'm moving back where they should do. So, and I've noticed more movement in all ranges of motions in the gym, which is you see other people do that and you think, how do they touch that? How do they get it down here? And now I know because they've got a full range of movement, which I never used to have, and I have got some back now. So yeah, it feels much better doing an exercise, especially even in the flies, doing the flies, my hands will go back further than they ever used to. There's a moving on the rib cage more than they ever used to. So it feels much better. It also makes you feel better about yourself because you've got more movement.
Yeah.
Just because you can't do the weight like you used to, but having the movement it feels better. It feels good.
What would you tell someone then if you were to go back in time to, yourself who was kind of in that situation, couldn't go to the gym, couldn't do this thing you love to do, what would you tell someone else that maybe is in a similar situation now?
Well, I'd advise anybody in my position is you're not going to do this alone. You're not going to. It's rare that you're going to accomplish this on your own. You need help. You need to reach out to people like yourselves. Reach out to them, and you need guidance to improve. And I think it's been one of the best things best money I've spent to get doing the program. You're only here once, so to get more movement, more flexibility. I mean, I waited too long initially, but your body tells you. I got to a point where I can't do anything anymore. So I hit the point where I got zero. I can't do anything. So that's why. But you shouldn't leave it that long. Reach out before you get to that point.
Yeah.
Maybe it will be better.